Another cool thing that people don't know, we are the biggest Amana dealer in the southeast of the United States. We buy more Amana equipment than anybody in the southeast of the United States from our supplier. Now, that's not in the world. I'm saying from our supplier. When it comes to this area, we buy more side discharge systems with lifetime warranties than anybody around here. And another thing also, we touched on buying equipment online. Something that the only issue with that is finding the company that's going to do right by you and finding the contractor that's going to do right by you. The cool thing about Mallard Air is we actually sell systems online. If you go to our website, you can get a quote on our website without ever having anybody out. We'll reach out to you and say, hey, it looks like this is the size of your home. We need to come out and take a look at it to make sure that all this is right, to verify everything. But this is the price before we even go. So you have a feel of exactly what you're getting with us. And you know when you do business with Mallard Air, before ever having us come out, that you're dealing with a contractor you can have confidence in.
My take on about being an expert in what we would be an expert is in, I think the whole house evaluation that we come out when we first come to your house is, you call us up and say, hey, I got an old cool and our process and stuff, and our guys have to call me or Ethan want to come out to the house with them. We always give second opinions. I mean, when we say second opinion, if our guy's at your house, he's going to call me or Ethan or the supervisor. We'll show up to verify what our technician is telling you is the truth, and you'll see it again. So the customers done seen the problem before we even get on site like 4 times. And I'd want to say of it is where we're truly expert, not only in the side discharge, because we've really took that market and run with it is that when we show up at your house, it ain't just air conditioning, because once we get called for an air conditioner, there's a lot of things that leads to an air conditioning problem. And humidity here is, we're going to look at your insulation, we're going to look at your duct work, there's 4 key components in your air conditioner. We're going to check with certified meters. It's not just that most companies don't even carry. They got the option to carry. They choose not to. Me and Ethan choose to spend the money up front and get our guys, very well educated where we go out. And I would say is we do a true home analysis, not just a service call, but a true home analysis. You will know, hey, Miss Jones, your installation ain't quite up to value. Here's what they recommend. Here's what the state codes say now if you build a new house. So we try to get your house to that same standard. So I think we expertise in whole house evaluation too, and also the way our guys tote more tools probably than the average contractor does in this area. And it's tools that the homeowner sees firsthand. It ain't stuff that we go, okay, you got a bad compressor. We take you outside and we let you see the machine itself. So it's no gimmicks, it's just no smoke and mirrors or nothing here at Mallard Air is that you're gonna see firsthand. If your coil's leaking, they gotta show it to you 6 times. So when we get there, it's 2 more times, so a total of 8 times you're gonna see a leak. So it ain't that we just assuming that you got a leak in your coil. We pinpoint it down and our guys are trained for the homeowner to see. And if you'd like more information about this, please give us a call at 251-225-4035.